I'm Katie and welcome to Vibe Feature Friday. Today I'm going to take you through all the different options you can use on your Vibe board to erase things. One cool thing about Vibe is that the canvas itself is actually infinite, so you might not even need to erase. You can simply pinch in and move things over if you need to clear up a little bit more space on your canvas. However, there might be many reasons you'd want to erase, so I'm going to take you through the different ways to do that. So over here on the toolbar menu, there is an eraser feature. You can use your stylus to erase a small portion of what you've drawn, and then the bigger you move the eraser, the bigger that eraser pad would get. You can also, on objects like text boxes or logos or post-it notes, select it and then hit the delete button. A last option as well is to use our lasso tool to easily delete a selection or a group of objects. Finally, on the top bar of the menu, if you double tap the eraser, you can just clear the entire canvas out. And keep in mind, if you ever go a bit too far, we do have an undo button, so you can go back and recover if you go a little too eraser happy. That's it for Feature Friday. Thanks for joining and hope you have a great weekend.